Here's a bit of a left of center video. I found there was all this rubbish dumped illegally in this park, and all these people were rummaging through it. And call it the herd instinct. I jumped on the bandwagon. I thought just to have a look at what all the fuss was about, and yeah, I found a bunch of hand tools amongst all the litter. And we've got I found an old Sidchrome Australia open end wrench spanner, and it is 5/8 and 5/8 and 11/16. I won't even focus, but you know, still a perfectly good open end spanner if you've got like imperial stuff. Sidchrome were known as the best spanners in the world when they were at their peak. They're not anywhere. They're a different breed altogether than what they originally were nowadays. It's only by name that it's the same company. But yeah, the Australian steel was the best in the world, Australia being the big producer of steel. And yeah, Sidchrome were the best in the world, or regarded as such, for a long time. Also had this half moon Sidchrome spanner, 1/2 inch, 9/16. Good for getting onto the old starter motors and stuff, I suppose. I don't know that much about Dufor. I think they were fairly cheap around. I just don't know. But chrome vanadium, it says. And this size is 3/4. 3/4 both ends. Old spanners. They've got to be from the 70s. At least. A Belzer, Germany, I believe. Pipe spanner, 9/16 and 1/2. So get this to focus. I'll have to get into that with a magnifying glass just figure out what it is. That's vanadium extra. Yeah, they're a bit corroded, etc. But they're still good. Probably better than a lot of the stuff that's around today. Who knows? And this other one was, I think it was 3/4 and 11/16. Old ring spanner. I don't know anything about it. It's just marked Australia. Stamped Australia. Both sides. At least I think it is. Actually, it says something else. What else? Ostalloy. Ostalloy, right, okay. Maybe that's the brand name. Ostalloy, I don't know anything about them. Maybe I should have grabbed more, but they were the ones which got my attention. I think the other ones were sort of like real cheap stuff. Yeah. Okay, that's a bit of a left of centre video, but yeah, good old tools. Yeah. Got a lot of character.